Hey everyone, we want to welcome you back to Friday Fabric Finds. This is the week of May 10. I'm Jody, I'm the owner here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio, and
I'm Lisa, the shipping manager.
So what this is a little series that covers what is in our Friday newsletters, and we just kind of run down and tell you what we've got. We're going to go ahead and get started.
First off, we've got our blush favorites. Now this is from our Northcott collection blush. These is fat quarters that are like the favorites that we had in that bundle, so we thought we'd put them together for you guys so that you could enjoy them. They've got a lot of florals, bouquets, leaves, and grids. They got a lot of pinks, greens, magentas, some black, and some white. So very versatile. You can throw them in there with some other stuff that you've got already.
Okay, next we have the Autumn Collection from Riley Blake. This is by Lori Holt, and we have a whole bunch of things that came in with this collection. Lori does this really nice sew along. So we have kits for this called How to Build a Scarecrow. If you're going to be sewing along with her on her blog, you'll definitely want to pick up one of these kits. Along with this, we got in a lot of other things. We of course have the yardage full collection, 108-inch wide quilt backing. Other patterns are available. There's cute little autumn seeds patterns that are these little pumpkin patterns, fat quarter bundles, 5-inch stackers, zipper charms, simple shapes, the little templates that you need to go along with Lori's sew along. There are a few of these items that Riley Blake has not shipped to us yet, but we wanted to go ahead and get out there what we have. The other things are coming fairly soon. The colors in this collection are cider, schoolhouse red, pumpkin, basil, milk can, and a lot of others. A lot of very pretty fall colors, and we hope you will check this one out.
Next, we have Meow-gical Night by Wilmington. We've got a nice Halloween type theme. We do have the full collection by Wilmington. Now we've got some 24-inch placemat panels, 24-inch cap panels, 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips. We've got a Meow-gical Night quilt kit, and some scary little cats and pumpkins in the middle. And it's also got some spiders in there. We've got some orange, black, purple, and cream. Don't be scared. Just go ahead and order that and you can get started for the Halloween time.
Next, we have Curated in Color. This is a collection from Moda by Kathy Holden. And she is known for using all types of vintagey things in her designs. And this one is really no different, but it's a beautiful rainbow of colors. It's an energizing spectrum of rich vintage ephemera, images, and typography. And again, it's all rainbow. We have a lot of the prints in stock. I think actually most of them are still here and available. So we'll check this pretty one out.
Okay, next we have a tall yarn from Dear Stella. This is by Lisa Works. And this is a cozy collection for your furry friend. We've got some cute chartreuse, green, yellow, black, and white with some cute little cat prints on there. And we've got the full collection. We've got 24-inch panels, fat quarter bundles that include the panel that goes with it. So this is a really cute little blanket you can make for your little furry friend.
Okay, everybody. Next, we have a sale on the Reflections fat quarter bundles from Free Spirit. We put a special price on these for you all. They're regularly $47.96 and they are only $29.96 right now. We have a number of them available. They'll add a bit of flair to any of your quilts that you're putting together. We think you'll really enjoy this one. Check it out.
Next in our newsletter, we've got a little section that we like to include in here. It talks about our pre-orders. We've currently got 108 pre-orders in our website right now that you can go and check out. You can pre-order them for them to come in sometime later in the future. You pay for them ahead of time and then we will send it out as soon as it comes in. So go ahead and check that out. We've got quite a few for you to choose from, different themes and different colors. Be able to get a head start on the collection before it gets here.
Next we have No Tricks, Just Treats. This collection is from Henry Glass and it is by Hannah West. She is a really sweet girl. We actually had an opportunity to talk with her last week at the H&H convention. So she designed this collection and it is obviously for Halloween. We have the yardage full collection and we have Halloween is coming quilt kits. The colors in this collection are orange, purple, green, gray, and black. And the patterns, we've got jack-o'-lanterns, witches, ghosts, black cats, and dots. So be sure to check this one out when you get a moment.
Okay, next we've got a little small collection for you. It's I Boo What I Want. This is by Timeless Treasures. A little small full collection we have. And it's got some lovely little Halloween themes. We got some candy corns because everybody loves candy corn, right?
Yes.
Yes. And we've also got some gnomes in there and some Halloween themed prints within that. So if you're doing something, a project for Halloween, just check that out and maybe use it as a blender or maybe the main theme.
Next in our newsletter, we have our May bargains. This is a section on our website where we put all of our sale items. This actually gets updated every day. There's always something new being added there. We have remnants, kits, notions, and yardage in there. So be sure to check that out each day and see if there's a special that you might want to take advantage of. We want to thank everybody for watching today.
Be sure to like,
subscribe,
and ring the bell so that you can get some notifications on our latest information and updates.
We'd love it if you would leave a comment for us too.
Yes. Be sure to follow us on social media. Our link is in the bio.
And we will see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye.